Hi everyone, my name is Lakshmi and today I will be sharing that how I actually learned my English language, what was the story behind me. So today I posted one ask me a question on my story. So mostly 90% was that how you learned English, from how we can improve my communication skills, and like everybody was asking about this question. So I just thought to record this video. When I decided to become a cabin crew, the day I decided to become a cabin crew, I started learning English as much as I can do. When I was in school 11th, I decided to become a cabin crew, and then gradually I searched a lot that how to become a cabin crew, like what is the requirement and what is eligibility criteria, and then the major issue was that English. So coming forward, then I started then I used to, you know what, like I was so passionate to learn English language that I used to raise my hand in my classroom that to just read book in English. Okay, when we used to had our English period na, so I used to raise my hand कि नहीं मुझे रीडिंग लगानी है. Though I used to fumble a lot, I used to I was not able to pronounce correctly that time. So सब गलतियों के बाद मैंने सीख ली. ठीक है. Now from where you can start your English communication, the basic funda is, if you are lacking in confidence, then you have to speak. If you are lacking in grammar, then you have to start learning the grammar. Trust me, you have to learn grammar. No reading books, nothing can work you better than you learn grammar. ठीक है, grammar सीखनी पड़ेगी. ठीक है. Now the question is like from where we should start learning English. अब देखो, when I was in 10th standard I joined one institute but it didn't help me a lot. ट्रस्ट मी, मुझे उस टाइम पर पता भी नहीं था मुझे क्या करना है लाइफ में, तो मैंने इतना फोकस नहीं किया था. बट व्हेन आई केम इन 11th स्टैंडर्ड, देन आई डिसाइडेड व्हाट आई हैव टू बिकम. तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग देन आई फ्रेम माई सेल्फ अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट requirement, according to that eligibility criteria. Now moving forward, you have to start from is, am, are, should, would, could, helping verbs. ठीक है, past tense, past verb क्या होती है ना, थर्ड वर्ब कहाँ यूज़ करनी है, लिटिल ग्रामेटिकल मिस्टेक्स, एरर्स जो होती है ना, उसका आप यूट्यूब पे बहुत आराम से पढ़ सकते हो. उसका बहुत अच्छे अच्छे सेशंस हैं. ठीक है. नाउ मूविंग फॉरवर्ड, मैं भूल गई यार. From that you can start like where we have to use quantifiers, में कहाँ यूज़ करना है, सम कहाँ यूज़ होगा, तो बहुत छोटी छोटी चीज़ें होती हैं. ठीक है. Then last and very important thing I want to tell you, do not go to learn tenses, because tenses are difficult and very like confusing thing in English. Through I like मेरे को अभी तक ना